Let's now move to another type of question, which is trying to find the value of n in each of the following equations. In order to be able to find the value of n, try to make the two sides having the same base. So in here, 2 to the power of n minus 1 equals, the 32 is 2 power 5. If the base is equal to the base, automatically the power is equal to the power. So n in this case is equal to 6. Question 2. The square root of 3 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is 3 power 2, which is the square root of 3 to the power of 4. If the base is equal to the base, then automatically the power is equal to the power, so n equals 5. Question 3. 3 over 5 to the power of n plus 2 equals 125 over 27. We'll try to make both sides having the same base. So if we do this one, the 125 is 5 power 3, and the 27 is 3 power 3. So this is 5 over 3 all to the power of 3. But we don't want it as 5 over 3, we want it as 3 over 5. So we're going to flip the fraction and put a negative to the power. So 3 over 5 to the power of n plus 2 equals 3 over 5 to the power of negative 3. If the base is equal to the base, automatically the power is equal to the power. So n equals negative 5. For question number 4, how can we find the value of n? We multiply both sides of the equation by 27. So it will be square root of 3 to the power of n plus 2 is equal to 27. We know that the 27 is 3 power 3. So it is equal to square root of 3 with double the power. So now square root of 3 to the power of n plus 2 equals root 3 to the power of 6. If the base is equal to the base, then the power is equal to the power. So n equals 4. Question number 5. We have 8, 9, and 18, and 64. We'll try to make a prime factorization to the bases to find the common bases. So here in this one, the 8 is 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of n. The 9 is 3 to the power of 2, all to the power of n. And here the 18 is 2 times 3 power 2, all to the power of n. And the 64 is 2 to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 3n multiplied by 3 to the power of 2n over 2 to the power of n times 3 to the power of 2n equals 2 to the power of 6. 3 power 2n and 3 power 2n are crossed out together. And for the 2, we subtract the powers 3n minus n because we're dividing. So in this case, the 2n, which is the power, equals 6. So n equals 3. For question 6, we're going to do the same idea. So in this one, for question 6, the 4 is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 3. And the 8 is 2 to the power of 3. And this is equal to 2 to the power of n. So in this one, to simplify this more, it's 2 to the power of 2n minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of n plus 3 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of n. Combining all of these together, so it's 2n minus 2 plus n plus 3 minus 3 equals 2 to the power of n. If the base is equal to the base, then the power is equal to the power. So in here, we're going to simplify this. The plus 3 minus 3 are crossed out together. So, and the n with the n crossed out together. So 2n minus 2 equals 0. So 2n equals 2. then n equals 1. Let's now move to another type of questions, which is finding the solution sets of each of the following equations. How can we find the solution set? By trying to make both sides having the same base. So 5 to the power of the absolute value of x equals 5 to the power of 3. Then the absolute value of x equals 3. So x equals positive or negative 3. So in this case, the solution set is either 3 or negative 3. For question 2, the 32 is 2 to the power of 5. And the 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So it's 2 to the power of 5x minus 15 equals 2 to the power of 6x plus 3. If the base is equal to the base, then the power is equal to the power. So in this case, we're going to move the x to the side and the 3 to the side. So negative 15 minus 3 equals 6x minus 5x. So x equals negative 18. So for question 2, the solution set is negative 18. Question 3, 3 to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 minus n equals the 27, which is 3 power 3, over the 8, which is 2 power 3. So 3 power n minus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 minus n equals 3 power 3 multiplied by 2 power negative 3. You either take the 3 or the 2. So for the 3's, the n minus 1 is equal to 3, then n equals 4. Question 4. X minus 4 to the power of 5 equals the 32, which is 2 to the power of 5. If the base is equal to the base, then the power is equal to the power. So x is equal to 6. Dear students, by solving this exercise, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.